In a video game, you don't expect to finish the game in just 5 minutes. So why do we expect everything to be figured out so quickly? Everybody, stop rushing your life. Stop rushing yourself. You need to slow down. Life is not a race, okay? You don't need to go to the finish line quickly. You need to enjoy the life. You need to enjoy the game, okay? Keep it slow. Enjoy the progress. Enjoy the process. In your journey into becoming successful, you don't need to compare yourself to others, guys. Stop comparing yourself. Stop looking at others' achievements because your achievements are unique. You're going to get your achievements, your accomplishments, your goals soon. It's gonna be unique for you. So stop comparing yourself. We have a timeline. Stop comparing and stop rushing yourself. We'll get to our goals sooner. Start slow. If you take everything slow, you're going to enjoy the progress, your journey. You need to enjoy the journey, guys. Don't be pressured by the people around you. I know they have high hopes for us. They have high expectations for us to achieve the things that we want, the things that we believe in. But still, don't be pressured by their expectations. Don't be pressured by the expectations that they give you. You need to take it slow because everyone has a pace. I have a pace. Every successful person had a pace of their own. Not everyone got everything in just 5 minutes, guys. You need to take everything slowly. And just like I said in the previous videos, you need to have the patience, guys. The patience. If you have the patience, the universe will eventually give you what you want. But still, you need to take action. Don't rush everything. Take everything slowly. In a video game, when you play online games like me when I play Hay Day, the progress of achieving a bigger farm, getting more coins, upgrading your barn, expanding your barn, accomplishing the tasks, giving the people butter. It takes time. And you know what? In Hay Day, when people request things from you, they just wait. They wait for the butter that they requested from you. So you got to be patient. You got to take things slow because everything is gonna wait for you. That goal that you want is waiting for you. If you want to be a successful YouTuber, it's gonna wait for you. If you want to be a successful athlete with a gold medal, it's gonna wait for you. If you want to graduate in a college or in a school, it's gonna wait for you. So take everything slow, guys. Your progress, even though if it's small, it's still a progress, guys. That small XP you earn every day, even if it's just 1 XP, it's still progress. You're progressing in life. It doesn't mean if you take things slow, you're not gonna achieve what you want. It's gonna take time, but it's still progress, guys. That's why you need to enjoy the journey. The journey is everything. The journey is your story. It's like someone reading a comics. They will see your journey. They will see your life. And when people watch or read your story, they're gonna enjoy the slow progress. They're gonna enjoy the slow progress of your story. When you reach your goal, people are not going to enjoy when your story ends quickly. When you achieve everything quickly without a plot of how you achieved your dreams, your goals, how you got everything. They're not gonna enjoy that. They're gonna enjoy on how you got everything slowly. Every bit, every part of the story matters. So you need to take everything slow. And you need to trust the process. Trust the journey. Trust the patience. Trust your pace. Trust your progress, trust in your growth, and trust that you will enjoy everything that you do in your journey to reaching your goal. I know that you're not going to see that much when taking things slow, but just like I said, you're gonna have that growth. That growth stacks up compoundly. It stacks up over time. And if you just keep things slow, your growth is gonna be big. You're gonna see a huge difference from when you started up to the present moment, guys. So I'm telling you, you're just gonna have to trust the process, trust the patience, and enjoy everything, guys. Enjoy your journey to achieving everything that you want. And starting slow doesn't mean that you're failing, guys. you're still gaining XP. You need to keep telling yourself, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this, okay? I'll take it slow, I'll take it slow, I'll take it slow. Like I said in the previous videos, guys, you can hack your brain into telling yourself that you don't need to rush everything. The results of taking things slow will show up eventually, guys. Always think good affirmations. Think good, positive affirmations. Repeating those thoughts. Because if you think starting slow or having a slow progress will give you negative results, then I'm sorry to tell you, it's so unfortunate. But you're going to get that negative result. So that's why mindset is very important. You need to change how you think, telling yourself that slow progress is a positive thing, that you will get positive results, that you will achieve your goals, your dreams. So tell me in the comments, guys, what's something in your life you're trying to stop rushing? Yo, it's Thursday. I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. See you all in the next one, guys. Take care of yourselves. Peace!